Hello students, in present video I am going to explain about inter first year MEC CEC Telangana state for the academic year 2022-23 commerce subject, public exam question paper pattern, important questions from commerce, important theory questions from accountancy part and important problems from accountancy part. Let us see the first one, public exam question paper pattern. Total paper is divided into two parts, part 1, part 2, commerce and accountancy. Each one is for 50 marks, total 100 marks. Part 1, commerce. In section A, 3 questions will be given. You have to attempt any 2. Each one is for 10 marks. 2 into 10, 20 marks. In section B, 6 questions will be given. You have to write any 4. Each one is for 5 marks. 4 into 5, 20 marks. Section 3 contains 8 questions. You have to write any 5. Each one is for 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Part 1, commerce is completed. Now come to part 2, accountancy. Section D, one problem will be given. That problem you have to do. Means there is no choice here. That problem is for 20 marks. And that problem comes from 10th chapter, preparation of final accounts. Section E, 2 problems will be given. Any one you have to do. It is for 10 marks. 1 into 10, 10 marks. First problem comes from 5th chapter, cashbook. Triple column cashbook problem comes. And the second problem comes from 6th chapter, bank reconciliation statement. Section F contains 4 questions. You have to write any 2. Each one is for 5 marks. 2 into 5, 10 marks. In these 4 questions, 2 theory questions come and 2 problems come. So first question is a theory question from first chapter, bookkeeping and accounting. Second question is a problem from second chapter, recording of business transactions. This chapter contains journal and ledger, 2 topics, no? So on ledger topic, you will get one 5 marks question. Third question is a problem from fourth chapter, that is preparation of subsidiary books. Fourth question is a theory question from 8th chapter, rectification of errors. Section G contains 8 questions. You have to write any 5. Each one is for 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. And out of this 8, 3 problems come. First problem is from chapter 2, journal. 4 transactions will be given. You have to write 4 journal entries. Each one is for half mark. So 4 into half mark, 2 marks. Chapter 4, preparation of subsidiary books. So from this lesson, you will get one problem on journal proper topic, that is opening entry. So in preparation of subsidiary books lesson, 2 topics are there. Subsidiary books topic and journal proper topic. Subsidiary books topic comes for 5 marks, 5 marks problem. And from journal proper topic, 2 marks problem comes. And in journal proper, you have adjustment entries, closing entries, transferring entries, opening entries. So in public exam, you will get a problem on opening entry. Next, chapter 7, trial balance. Remaining questions are theory questions. With this, first topic, public exam question paper pattern is completed. Now come to second topic, important questions from commerce part. First 10 marks. First question is, write the advantages and disadvantages of sole proprietorship business. In brackets, you can see the years in which this question came in public examination. Second, define the cooperative society, explain its features. Third, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of cooperative societies. 4. Define partnership, discuss its advantages and disadvantages. 5th, define joint stock company, explain the features of a joint stock company. 6th, Explain the advantages and disadvantages of a joint stock company. Here, advantages, merits, both are same. Disadvantages, limitations, demerits. These three words are same. 7. Differentiate between a private company and a public company. 8. What is Memorandum of Association? Explain its clauses. 9. What is business finance? Explain its need and significance in the business organizations. 10. What are the various factors that determine the selection of sources of finance? With this, 10 marks questions completed from commerce part. Now come to 5 marks commerce theory important questions. First one, define business, explain its characteristic features. Second, what is meant by industry? Explain the types of industries with suitable examples. Third, state the types of foreign trade. 4. Define trade and explain the various types of aids to trade. 5th, define sole proprietorship and state its features. 6th, what is joint Hindu family business? Discuss its main features. 7. State the advantages and disadvantages of joint Hindu family business organization. 8. Define partnership and state its important features. 9. Discuss different types of partners. For 2 marks also this is important. Any one partner comes for 2 marks also. 10th, what is partnership deed? Explain its contents. 11. What are the functions of a promoter? 12. What are the types of promoters? 13. What is articles of association? Explain its contents. 14. Discuss the differences between memorandum of association and articles of association. 15. What are the sources of short-term finance? 16. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of equity source of finance. 17. Differentiate between the equity shares and preference shares. 18. Differentiate between a share and a debenture. 19. Define MSMEs and explain their significance in Indian economy. 20. Briefly explain the registration process of MSMEs. 21. Discuss the privileges offered to MSMEs in India. 22. Define MNC, MNC full form, multinational corporation, and explain its features. 23. Explain the advantages of MNC. 24. Explain the benefits of e-business. Same question may be asked in another manner also. What are the benefits of e-business to customers? 25. Explain the opportunities of business enterprises in 21st century. With this, commerce 5 marks important questions are completed. Now come to commerce 2 marks important questions. First one, profession. So about profession you have to write here. Profession meaning you have to write. Second, employment means employment meaning you have to write. Third, genetic industries. 4. Extractive industries. 5th, what is home trade? 6th, define entrepôt trade. 7. Commerce. 8. What is sole proprietorship? 9. Define karta. 10. Co-partner. 11. What is partnership deed? 12. Active partner. 13. Government company. 14. Holding company. 15. Who is a promoter? 16. Memorandum of association. 17. Capital subscription. Same question may be asked in another manner also. Minimum subscription. 18. What is prospectus? 19. Certificate of commencement of business. 20. Business finance. 21. Fixed capital. 22. Working capital. 23. Equity share. 24. Preference share. 25. Debentures. 26. Retained earnings. 27. Manufacturing enterprise. 28. Service enterprise. 29. Micro enterprise. 30. Small enterprise. 31 medium enterprise, 32 globalization, 33 foreign direct investment FDI, 34 e-business, 35 e-banking, 36 e-commerce, 37 e-trade, 38 e-marketing. With this, second topic, important questions from commerce part is completed. Now come to third topic, important theory questions from accountancy part. First 5 marks theory questions from accounts part. First one, state the advantages of accounting. Second, briefly explain any 5 concepts of accounting. Third, explain classification of accounts with examples. 4. Explain the various types of subsidiary books. 5th, describe the causes of disagreement between the balance shown in the cash book and passbook. 6. What are the various types of errors? Explain. 7. What are the errors disclosed by trial balance? 8. Explain the errors not disclosed by trial balance. With this, 5 marks accounts important theory questions completed. Now come to 2 marks important theory questions from accountancy part. First question, what is transaction? Second, what is bookkeeping? Third, define accounting. 4. What is accounting cycle? 5th, state accounting equation. 6. Define capital. 7. Define the term drawings. 8. Explain business entity concept. 9. Explain money measurement concept. 10. Explain the convention of conservatism. 11. What is voucher? 12. What is an account? 13. What is a journal? 14. What is ledger? 15. What is posting? 16. What is debit note? 17. Credit note. 18. What is invoice? 19. Trade discount. 20. What is journal proper? 21. What is meant by cash discount? 22. What is contra entry? 23. What is impressed system? 24. What do you mean by bank reconciliation statement? Same question may be asked in another manner also. What is meant by BRS? 25. What is meant by favorable balance? 26. What is bank overdraft? Same question may be asked in another manner also. Overdraft. 27. Define trial balance. 28. What is meant by a suspense account? 29. What is error of omission? 30. What is capital expenditure? 31. What is revenue expenditure? 32. Define deferred expenditure. 33. What is adjustment? 34. Bad debts. 35. Define depreciation. With this, third topic, that is important theory questions from accountancy part, is completed. Now come to fourth topic, important problems from accountancy part. Chapter 2, recording of business transactions. In this chapter, you have to learn 2 topics, journal and ledger. Journal is for 2 marks, ledger is for 5 marks. So journal 2 marks important problems are textbook, Telugu Academy, Telangana State Intermediate First Year textbook, page numbers I mentioned here, problem numbers 1 to 8 and page numbers 61 to 64. In 61 to 64 pages, you can see these questions, journal 1 to 8 problems. Next, chapter 2, recording of business transactions. So other topic is ledger for 5 marks. For ledger, important problems are problem numbers 10 to 12, page number 65 and 66, problem numbers 15 to 17, page numbers 67 to 68. Chapter 4, preparation of subsidiary books. From this topic, for 5 marks, important problems are 1 to 13. Textbook page numbers 110 to 114. In the same chapter, preparation of subsidiary books, for 2 marks from journal proper, opening entry comes now. So important problems are 1 to 6. Page numbers 116 to 117. Next come to cashbook, chapter 5. So from this chapter, for 10 marks, a problem comes related with triple column cashbook. And the important problems are 8 to 19. Page numbers 153 to 160. From the same chapter, illustration problems also you have to learn. Illustration numbers 7 to 10. In textbook, page numbers 134 to 140. Chapter 6, bank reconciliation statement. For 10 marks, one problem comes now. Important problems are 1 to 5, page numbers 187 to 192. And the illustrations also you have to learn 1 to 11, page numbers 172 to 184. Chapter 7, trial balance. From this topic, for 2 marks, one problem comes now. Important problems are 9 to 20, page numbers 209 to 212. Chapter 10, preparation of final accounts. So from this chapter, for 20 marks, one question comes now, one problem. Important problems are 1 to 8, textbook page numbers 327 to 334. 12th problem, 338 page. 14th problem, 340 page. 17th problem, 343 page. And 19 to 20 problems, page numbers 345 to 346. Illustration problems also you have to learn. Illustration 2, illustration 5, page number 287. Illustration 7, page number 291. Illustration 17, page number 303. Illustration 23, page number 319. With this, these 4 topics are completed. And for your help, I made other 2 videos also. First one, Inter First Year Commerce 20-23 academic year, previous year's public exam accounts problems. So all these problems, if you practice, you will score good marks in public exam. Second one, how to score highest marks in Inter Commerce exam. So if you follow all these points, for 100 marks, you will get 99. And these 2 videos links are provided in the description box. So this is the end of present video. Thank you.